Hey there, welcome to Gander Flight. I'm Joshua. You have a GoPro? Want to make a sweet magnetic mount for it? Let me show you how. So I do a lot of DIY videos and RV videos, and the GoPro is a perfect camera because it's so small and so lightweight. To get some interesting angles, I thought that having a magnetic mount for the GoPro would be awesome, and it turns out it has been. As you can see, a lot of the tools that I use are metallic. So I can get some really cool angles for DIY projects on areas that I wouldn't be able to put a tripod or a bigger size camera. It also works really well in the car, and I want to show you how I made it and how I've been using it. So the star of this DIY project are these magnetic mounts that have a metal disc and a magnet with adhesive on the back. First thing you're going to do is remove the adhesives on both the GoPro mount and the magnet and stick them together. Then you're going to take a knife, cut off all the excess so that you don't get dirt and debris catching on any of the extra adhesive. Sandwich them together and let it cure. Then go ahead and snap your GoPro with the quick mount all the way into the magnetic base, and let's give it a try. Pretty straightforward project. I really like using the GoPro quick mounts so that you can slide it in and out, not having to deal with the thumb screws all the time. Then you can just go put this on a tripod or a different GoPro mount. Makes it really convenient to get these on and off in a snap. If you're interested in making one of these for yourself, I'll put links to all the things and the gear that I used in the description down below. If you found some value in this video, show me some love and leave me a comment. Where are you going to stick your magnetic GoPro? Until next time, I'm Joshua. You've been watching Gander Flight. Take care and pay it forward.